Once, there was a washerman named Shuddha in a small village. But he was unable to provide enough food for the donkey.
I am suffering, but this donkey is also suffering with me. I am not able to give him good food. I pity his lot.
One day, while Shuddha and his donkey were returning home through a forest, the donkey collapsed due to exhaustion and the heavy load he was carrying. Shuddha was shocked.
Donkey, wake up! Wake up! Poor fellow. I wish I could maintain him in a better condition. Shuddha slowly made the donkey get up and walk some distance. Suddenly, Shuddha froze in his tracks. Right in front of him was a tiger lying down in the middle of the road. Shuddha was scared to death and began to shout, "Oh, it's a tiger! A tiger! Somebody please help me!"
But to his surprise, the tiger did not move at all.
"Oh, it's not moving."
Thank God, it is dead.
When he was about to go past the dead tiger, an idea struck him.
Why don't I take the tiger's skin with me? I can put the skin on my donkey to scare the farmers away. They will think he's a tiger and he can graze their crops as much as he wants.
Shuddha put the dead tiger's skin on the donkey and took him to a field.
Okay, go ahead, my dear donkey, and eat to your heart's content. I will come back tomorrow morning. No one dare bother you.
The confident donkey, looking like a big ferocious tiger, began to graze in the field. The farmers who were guarding their fields spotted a huge tiger and took to their heels.
Hey, run, run! It's a tiger! Run for your lives!
The donkey had his fill. He had had a hearty meal after years and was very happy. In the morning, Shuddha came and was happy to see his beloved donkey satisfied after a hearty feast.
What a clever trick I played on those farmers. My donkey will be well fed from now on.
This went on for a few days. The farmers were puzzled by the tiger that was destroying their crops. They were sad to see their well-cultivated crops being destroyed in this way. Then one day, Shuddha's donkey disguised in the tiger skin, heard the bray of a female donkey. Ee-aw, ee-aw. He was charmed by her call and was powerless to resist. Ee-aw, ee-aw. He was blinded by her love and abandoned all reason and common sense. The farmers heard it too.
Hey, heard the sound of the donkey? Yeah, it's only a donkey, not a tiger. Come, let's teach him a lesson.
They ran and grabbed the donkey, wearing the tiger skin, and beat him black and blue. Unable to bear the pain, the donkey ran to Shuddha. The farmers spotted Shuddha and beat him up as well. If we deceive others, we will have to pay for it.
I wish I had kept quiet.
Once a small kingdom was ruled by a king. He was very fond of fun and games. This made all his men very happy. One day,
My dear ministers, this month I wanted to do something new.
Your Majesty, last month we had a peacock dance session.
That was good.
Last week we made all the clowns dance.
Yeah, that was good. But what about this month?
Your Highness, there are a few artists who have come from the kingdom of Aditya. They are good at theatre and poetry.
That's the usual stuff.
Your Majesty, can we make our senior magician perform?
No. Let me think. Bring some trained monkeys to dance.
Excellent idea, my lord. Great idea.
the ministers set out to make the arrangements. The next week, a huge party was arranged. 5 monkeys were brought and were given royal robes and caps. They were trained well to dance. The music was on. The assembly was full. The great show of the monkeys began. The monkeys started to dance.
Look how they dance. Ah, marvelous.
They look cute in their excellent clothes.
One of the ministers, a senior, approached the king, who was admiring the monkeys.
My lord, it is surprising to see these monkeys dance like humans.
True. Look, everyone is enjoying the show.
But my lord, we have to be very careful. Even if there is a slight disturbance, we cannot bring them under control.
No. These monkeys are well trained.
My lord, what you say is true, but one cannot change the basic fact that they are monkeys.
I don't agree with you. They perform so well in front of a big audience. What is going to disturb them? Prove your point if you can.
My lord, throw a handful of nuts to the monkeys and see the difference.
Okay, give me the nuts.
The king threw a handful of nuts to the monkeys. Suddenly, all the dancing stopped. The monkeys started competing for the nuts. The monkeys shed their clothes and grappled among themselves for the nuts. The crowd enjoyed this aspect of the show too.
Hey, look!
Oh, that was funnier than the dance.
Ha ha ha! Minister, you are correct. The basic qualities of a person never change.
That's true, my lord.
Moral: appearances are deceptive.